Hello everyone! Start off by taking some blue gift wrapping paper and then fold it into a square. Then make a diamond-like shape on either side by folding the edges inwards. Repeating the same process, make a narrower diamond-like shape on either side. Then curve the top edge and then make a cut in the sides and twist it as such. Open up the shape that you have created and you should have something like this. Fold together the outside circle to make the patterns more prominent. Following this, add some glue to one of the sides and then stick it together. Cut a hole at the bottom and then put a stick through the hole. Make sure to also add a hole at the top. Stick tape at the top and the bottom. And there you have yourself an umbrella. For our next craft, take some more gift wrapping paper and then fold it over diagonally. Then fold over the bottom as such and then fold it inwards. Fold in the edges of both the sides and then insert it into the longitudinal line that we have made. Now fold it by its length but not all the way. Fold in either end to make the edges narrow. Open it to get a boat-like shape and then connect either end to make a handle. For our next craft, take a mask and then cut off the elastic. Then cut off the edges on either end, that is the long edges as well as the short edges. And then take the inner layer and spread it out. After you have spread it out, add some tape in the center and then fold the outside inwards. Once you are done with this, make more folds. But reverse the size before you proceed to do so and make it into a fan-like shape. Then add some thread in the middle, tie it up, and after this, make sure to add some glue and make it look like a bow. After this, glue on a rubber band to the back and then decorate it as you please. For our next craft, take a sheet of gift wrapping paper and then fold it into half. After that, you fold in the edges towards the center. Then open out the folded edges as such and then fold it inwards to make a heart-like shape. Remove one of the bottom sides and make it more horizontally crossed. Make sure to apply glue to make sure that it is strong. Puff it outwards and add a handle on either end of it, and there you have a heart-shaped basket. For our next craft, take some paper that is pink in color and then make a diamond shape out of it. Cut off the edges. Then fold it over straight but it will look diagonal. Do this on either side to make the pattern. On either of the sides, fold in the edges neatly and make really small folds. However, do not stick this. Open it out. Once you open it out, fold it according to the patterns that you have made. After this, connect the edges and there you have it. For our next craft, take some purple paper and then cut it into small bits of rectangles. Hold it together with a paper clip and then make the cuts as follows. Add some paper into the cuts that you have made. Decorate it as you please. We have chosen to do so with a Hello Kitty sticker. For our next craft, take some gift wrapping paper and then fold the edges inwards towards the center. Reverse the paper and do the same thing, except do it only on two sides. Fold outward the initially folded edges towards the center. Then make an oblong diamond-like shape and then fold it inwards in order to make a somewhat box with ears. For our next craft, take some yellow paper and then fold it firstly sideways and then downways. As the paper is rectangular, fold over all four edges and make the shape as shown above. Fold over the edges inwards and this is the shape you should be left with. Then fluff each of these outside. Thank you for watching.